What's up, kings and queens? It's your girl Ayala, and today I am back with another video. And as you guys seen by that title, you guys already know what this video is going to be about. I am going to be doing a half up half down with a headband wig. Yes, a headband wig. I got this wig from Aliexpress. I almost said Alibaba, but I got this wig from Alibaba, or I got this wig from Aliexpress, and I really wanted to get a wig that I could just throw on when I got braids in my head and I'm just like not trying to do my hair. But I decided I wanted to do something a little different with this wig because I didn't want to, it's hot outside, I didn't want to just put the headband on and put the wig on because it's gonna be hot and I'm gonna be sweating. So this is what the wig looks like, and child, when I tell you, it's dry. So I'm going to dip this actually in some boiling water just to get like if there's any chemicals or extra like color or just anything on here. I'm gonna dip it in some boiling water and put a little bit of conditioner on it. It has a little smell, but it's like that same smell as if you was to get any other hair from Alibaba, because most of the time they have like a little smell, but it's not hard to get rid of. So this is what the wig is looking like. It has, you know, the little clips, and it's actually a really good wig, and it comes with the headband. And they also sent me an extra headband, which I like. They sent me a wig cap and an extra headband, which I like. So if I wanted to just wear it with the headband, I could do that. But today we're going to be making this into a half up half down. So first thing I'm gonna do is dip this in some water. So let's go. Alright, y'all, so keep in mind what the water looks like before I put the wig inside and what it's going to look like after. So I had already boiled some water previous to starting the video, and now I'm just dipping that wig into that boiling hot water and just making sure that I get all of the hair in that water, because we want to get all the chemicals, all the extra products, or just anything that's on the wig, so that my head is not itching. Because y'all know, if y'all buy hair and y'all head is itching when y'all got the hair in, that just means it's chemicals on the hair or extra stuff on the hair that's not supposed to be on the hair. So make sure y'all boil y'all hair. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, and look how brown that water is. That goes to show you that there's stuff on that hair that shouldn't be on that hair, because the hair shouldn't be looking like that. You feel what I'm saying? So that's what I'm doing right now. And after I take it from the boiling water, I'm just going to put it in the sink and run some warm water over the hair. You want to make sure that you don't use cold. You don't want to go from super hot to super cold, because you're going to damage the hair. Y'all don't want that. As y'all can see, I did experience just a little bit of breakage, but I feel like that's totally normal, especially for the price that I paid for this hair. So it wasn't too bad, and the hair was still full, so I really like that. The smell didn't completely go away, so I just added a little bit of conditioner, also to just define the curls a little bit more and to just have the wig smelling a little bit good, so it doesn't have that really stinky smell. It's not too bad. But if y'all order hair from Alibaba, or just if you've ordered hair at all, you know that sometimes hair has that certain smell. I can't really explain what it smells like, but if you know, then you know. So I just added a little bit of conditioner just to define the curls and get the wig to smell at least decent enough for me to put it on my head. All right, so I've rinsed the wig off, and this is what it's looking like. It's feeling really soft. It has a little bit of shedding, but not too much. As you guys can see, I have some braids in the back. My whole head, it was full of braids, but I decided to take the front out because we're doing a half up half down. So what I'm gonna do is just create a little, like a braid going straight across right here. I'm not worried about the part being straight at all, because you're not going to be able to see it. The point of this braid is just so that the wig can have something to latch onto. So if the wind blowing, it ain't gonna come off. You want to just take the two latches and just hook them on to the braid that you braided across. All right, so I have it on, have it tied. So now what I'm gonna do is put this front part up in a ponytail. All right, so here I'm just taking a piece from the top of the wig and I'm going to put that together with my real hair to make a ponytail. From here, I'm just going to take my real hair and wrap it around the roots of the ponytail. And from here, I just took a bobby pin and pinned the end of my real hair so that it can stay. At this point, I'm just doing my edges. You know your girl gotta have some edges. It just gives the style just like a little sigh. You feel what I'm saying? So, yeah. So this is the final look, you guys. It's super cute. Like, I love it. I love it. The hair is super soft and it doesn't stink anymore. And honestly, it looks like my natural hair. Like, look at it. Super cute. And this is what the back looks like. Like, you can't even tell. You can't even tell. So yeah, you guys, this pretty much wraps up this video. If you guys like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I drop a new video. If you guys want the link to this hair, comment down below and I'll give you the link, sis, because why not? Like, and let me know if y'all want to see me do more styles with this wig, because I'm definitely gonna do more styles. So also make sure to follow me on my social medias. They'll be right here on the screen. These are my only 2 social medias, so follow me. And yeah, you guys, so thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace and blessings.